Hello, my name is Isaac Townsend, and I will be your AP Calculus AB teacher for the 2021 school year. So the purpose of the course, the reason why you would want to take calculus is if you think you might be interested in going into a math or science career. All high-level math and science is going to need some extensive calculus, and so we will be going over those foundations. And of course, since this is an AP course, you can also take the AP test at the end of the year. And if you score well enough on it, then you also get some college credit. So two very big, very important things depending on what your career path is going to be. Of course, with COVID this year, some of this is definitely subject to change. Like at the end of last year, how AMI kind of changed the grading scale on us. But as of right now, our plan is to do 90% of your grade comes from assessments and 10% comes from assignments. That's what we do most years. And as far as staying informed, if you're a parent, if you'd like to know how your son or daughter is doing, please check their grades often. I'm pretty good about putting in assignments quickly. So if you see a new assignment and it has a blank grade, I wouldn't be too concerned, but after a few days, or if that assignment has some Z grades in there, then that means I've expected to have received it and haven't received it. So any help that you could get them to get that in right away definitely would go a long way. Also, if you bookmark this bit.ly link, this might be more information than you would like, but this will have our weekly plan, our weekly assignments, and it's kind of chunked out by days, so you can see what's being expected of them each day. And so, like I said, you can be as informed as you'd like to be with that information. On top of that, if any handouts I provide, any video resources I provide, any solutions I give to let students check their work, all of that will be on this bit.ly. So both of these bit.lys are very important, I think. This one might be more important to your son or daughter than it would be to a parent, but you're also welcome to use that if you'd like to. And finally, if you'd like to contact me, my email is isaac.townsend@g.var.net. I'm really excited for the year. I hope everything goes well, and please email me any questions that you have. Have a good day.